Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The title of the problem that we are going to solve today is chef and operators. As we do all the time, first we will read and understand the problem, later we will understand the logic by the given example, and then we will solve the problem by writing code. Coming to the problem, chef has just started programming. He is in the first year of engineering. Chef is reading about relational operators. Relational operators are operators which check relationship between two values. Given two numerical values a and b, you need to help chef in finding the relationship between them, that is first one is greater than second, or first one is less than second, or first and second one are equal. So we are going to check the relationship between the two numbers, whether they are greater than or less than or equal. Coming to the input, first line contains an integer t which denotes the number of test cases. Each of the t lines contains two integers a and b. Okay, there will be a test case that will be given as input and we are going to take that many times the integers as input. Coming to the output, for each line of input, produce one line of output. This line contains any one of the relational operators like less than, greater than, and equal to. Coming to the constraints, here we have t ranges from 1 to and a comma b ranges from 1 to 10 power 8 plus 1. That's huge. Coming to the example, here we have input where test case is 3. So we are going to take 3 times a and b. In the first line, the integers are 10 and 20, and in the second line, the integers are 20 and 10, and in the third line, the integers are 10 and 10. Okay. If 10 is less than 20, we have to print less than operator. So the output is less than. In the second line, 20 and 10 means A is greater than B. So we are going to print greater than symbol. And in the third line, both are equal. So we are going to print equal operator. So in this way we are going to take the input and we are going to print the output, and the output is completely easy because we can easily print by comparing those two a and b values. So now let's complete the coding part. Coming to the coding part, in the first line we will take test case as input and the input will be in the string format, so we are going to convert it to integer. So we are going to use int function, int of input. So we have to take a and b as input. So for underscore in range of test case, a comma b is equal to map of int comma input dot split. So we are going to take a comma b in one go and we are going to store them in a and b respectively. If a is less than b, we will print less than symbol. If a is greater than b, we are going to print greater than symbol, else we'll print equal. Now check whether the code is working or not by giving custom input. If you have any errors, let me know by comments, and you can even ping me on Instagram. If you like the video, then hit that cute little like button because that motivates me to make more interesting technical stuff for you. Thank you.